What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Got a short ride and review today. Going to a new place, brand new, just opened a month ago. It's called Palermo Bistro. Palermo Bistro is an Argentinian meat joint. They have some really interesting looking items on the menu. Crazy over here in Midtown. I'm really excited to try some of this stuff. There used to be an Argentinian restaurant over here, but it closed during COVID, and that always bummed me out. So I'm glad that there's another one back here. The old place was called Chimichurri Grill, and they had it was really like a steakhouse. It was like a little mini steakhouse. And they had all this imported grass-fed beef from Argentina that was interesting and unique. So yeah, that place shut down, unfortunately. And this new spot is looking to fill the void of Argentinian cuisine in this city. So, especially in this neighborhood. So I'm psyched to try it. This place is over on 9th Ave and like 46th Street, so it's not far. I'm going right from work, meeting the cake dealer. Just crossing town right now, a couple of avenues. It's a beautiful day. The sky has finally cleared up from that Canadian wildfire haze we were having. If you hadn't seen it, jump out to my channel and watch. I think it's like the last video I posted, maybe. Just jump out and check it out. The colors were insane, and I didn't even do any edits to the color. I didn't manipulate anything. It was just wild the way that GoPro was picking up all the colors. It really felt like we were on Mars. Like it was just crazy. And yeah, that day it was just a weird, surreal feeling in this city. My throat's still bugging me from breathing all that smoke. Let's see, what do we got? I just saw the golden packing van making a turn here. Hopefully I can catch up to him. Yeah, right there. I wonder who's driving. Who could it be? It's my boys. What up? Good to see you, man.
We miss you, man.
I miss you guys too. Good people. That is too funny. All right, so I'm at 51st. I gotta go to 46th. Oh, that's weird. They widened this whole area here. It's like I don't know, it's like a weird area between the bike lane and the street. Now it's gone. So yeah, these Argentine grills, a lot of times they offer like a big board of mixed meats that have been grilled. So I'm excited. That's always good. Usually like that. I saw a Milanese on the menu that I want to try. So I'm really looking forward to this meal. One more street. This guy's going slow. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna pull up left, and it should be right up on the left. Yeah, there it is. Palermo. All right, see you on the inside. look. Cheers. Empanada. Ooh, that's nice bread. It's not an empanada. That looks awesome. It's a mountain of meat. And mashed potatoes. Oh yeah. Lemon it up. You gotta do the broccolini too. Nice lemon coverage. What are these sauces too? Salts and sauces. Ooh, there's a little roasted garlic. This looks insane. Chicken, blood sausage, regular sausage, steaks. Banana bread pudding, huh? With vanilla ice cream.
And whipped cream.
And whipped cream and strawberries. Strawberries. Tight squeeze. So Palermo Bistro, that was good. We started off with this item called viteltone, which is veal tuna, it translates to. Veal tuna. It might sound weird. It's a very common dish in Tuscany, parts of Italy. And a lot of people do it up there with wild boar. This joint did it with veal. It's also common with veal. It's a mild meat that takes on flavors. They use capers and they use like anchovies. And I don't know what the thinking is behind that. Maybe people in Tuscany don't get fish a lot, so they want to mimic the flavor of tuna, so they created that dish. But it's delicious. I love it. They did a great job with it here at Palermo. They used veal eye round, which is usually a tougher lean meat, but on veal it's so tender, so it works, and it's great. They did a great job with it. Then we also had the octopus, which was really tender, nicely done, good char on the outside. We also did the Milanese, the New York strip Milanese was excellent. Really like that. Crispy, thin, pounded out, real thin. There was like a nice, it almost was like a hollandaise, little blobs of yellow on it. That was really great sauce to go with it. Salad almost tasted like a flavor of falafel. It was interesting that came with it on top. Nice baby bib lettuce, real crisp, crunchy, nice. And then the mixed grill. The mixed grill was great. I think our favorite item on the mixed grill was probably the blood sausage, that big black link of sausage that was on there. Real tasty. And there were about 3 different types of steak on it. I think there was like a hanger and a New York strip or sirloin, and then also skirt. The skirt was really nice. Everything was good. To be fair, everything was really good on that. Short rib on there as well. I said the blood sausage. There was another kind of sausage that was a little bit like a chorizo, but milder, less spicy. And then also chicken. What else? Oh, sweetbreads. The sweetbreads were great. Sweetbreads is a thymus gland, and they cook that up real nice and delicately. Goes great with the sauces they offered. Little chimichurri sauce, and then a salsa, and then they had some flake salt to put on as well if you wanted extra salt. I thought it was seasoned fine, so I didn't add. And then for dessert, we did a banana bread pudding with vanilla ice cream on top. That was really nice. I really liked that. It wasn't too sweet. Maybe they used like plantains, like sweet plantains, which are a little less sweet than bananas, but I like the fact that it wasn't too sweet, because a lot of times that just gets intense for me, sweetness. I'm not a huge sweets guy, but the things I do like, I really do like. So that's it. I mean, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review with all the photos, the full write-up. You know how it goes. That's how we do it. And as usual, make sure you like, subscribe, share this, tell your friends, and tell your fucking grandma.